Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Command & Conquer Generals Zero Hour multiplayer. We'll go over an easy method that allows you to connect with friends and other players for exciting real-time strategy battles. This guide focuses on using a popular, user-friendly third-party client, making the process much simpler than traditional methods. You'll be able to jump into the action quickly, enjoying all the strategic depth and fun that Zero Hour offers with minimal setup time. Let's get started. First, make sure your Command & Conquer Generals Zero Hour game is completely installed and updated to its latest version. Next, you'll need to download the recommended third-party multiplayer client. You can usually find this client on its official website. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions provided by the client. It's typically a straightforward process. After installation, open the client and verify that your game's installation path is correctly set within its settings. This ensures the client can properly launch your game. With the client installed, launch it and either log into your existing account or create a new one. Once logged in, you'll see a list of available game lobbies. You can browse these lobbies to find a match that suits your preferences and join it. If you prefer, you can also create your own game lobby. This allows you to invite specific friends and customize the game settings, including the map, game mode, and team configurations. After everyone is ready, simply hit the Start button to begin your multiplayer battle. Sometimes, you might encounter small issues. First, ensure your firewall isn't blocking the multiplayer client or the game itself. You may need to add exceptions. Regularly check for updates to the client, as these often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements. For the best experience, always use a stable internet connection to minimize lag and disconnections during matches. Finally, remember to communicate respectfully with other players. Following these tips will help ensure a smooth and enjoyable multiplayer experience in Command & Conquer Generals Zero Hour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.